Emma and the Mysterious Music Box. Emma found an old music box in her grandmother's attic. Curious, she wound it up, and a sweet melody filled the room. Suddenly, she was transported to a magical land where animals danced and flowers sang. Emma marveled at the sights, meeting a friendly rabbit named Benny. "The music box brings joy to this land," Benny explained. "But it needs your help to keep the magic alive." Emma learned that the music box could only work if people shared happiness and kindness. Inspired, Emma and Benny decided to host a festival to spread joy. They invited everyone from the magical land, and together they sang, danced, and celebrated. As the festival grew, the music box played a beautiful melody, filling the air with magic. Emma realized that happiness multiplies when shared. When she returned home, she promised to keep spreading joy and kindness in her own world. Emma learned that the true magic lies in the connections we make with others, and that sharing happiness creates a beautiful symphony of life.